Hello my friends, welcome back. This is Tammy. I hope you are doing well. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming and watching. Today we're just going to be working on this very easy peasy mold of angels that I purchased from Amazon. I believe they are a Art Resin product, but if you search for Amazon silicone angels, you should be able to find them. I am using blue interference. I purchased this product from Laura's Art Corner, and I have a makeup brush, just a cheap makeup brush that I only use for my art, and I am painting on this color pigment in specific areas. Her bodice area and the skirt area of the angel with this interference or blue interference. If you are new to my channel, I would so appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. For everyone, I would love for you to comment. Tell me what you think. Let me know if you have these molds and how you've used them. And be sure and give me that thumbs up if you would. This is a Color Joy pigment through Dryer Days Art Studio. It is called Antique Lace. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I use this product quite a bit. I absolutely love it. It is a gorgeous pigment powder. And you can see just before you even put resin in it how much it just really shines. It's beautiful. It is a very, very pale gold. It's almost like ivory with the highlights of gold in it. It's gorgeous. And I'm using this new product that I purchased from Laura's Art Studio, and it is a Stiletto glitters, and this is the gold that I'm using, and I'm really just playing here. These angels are going to be for me because I've not used this mold before. I wanted to play around with it and see how I might use it again in the future. So there's little trumpets on that the angels playing, and so I'm just tapping this into the trumpets and into some of the and some of the outside areas of the wings. All right, now we have my pale Iridron Gold, and this was purchased from Laura's Art Corner. Guys, I will have everything that I used in this video in the description, along with a 10% discount code for Dryer Days Art Studio. If you would like to purchase anything from her, it's a 10% discount there. So I'm just, again, taking this gold and putting very little bit on my makeup brush. A very little bit of this goes a very long ways. It's a very strong pigment. Again, this is another one of my favorites. And I'm just adding some highlights to the wings. And there it is. That's what it's going to look like. All right, so I have my resin mixed up. Today I'm using Pro Art Resin through the Pro Marine Company, and I am basically folding my cup and pouring in. Now there's a lot of intricacies to these particular molds, and you can see that I am folding it even thinner just because after pouring on the one angel I realized that it really was going to take a little bit more control. These angels have some right good size to them. They're probably around 7 or 8 inches long. My Christmas tree is usually done in crystal ornaments, and so these will look actually pretty good on my tree because they're crystal-like and they'll pick up the light, the prismatic effects from the wings and the gown of the angel. Will be pretty. All right, hitting it with a heat gun pops the bubbles, but it also thins out that resin a little bit so that if it needs to go into some of those little nooks and crannies and the intricacies of this mold, it will hopefully find its way. I think I mixed about 2 ounces of resin. It may have been 3 ounces of resin, and I'm so sorry, but I don't remember that. But it really could have used another 1/4 ounce in each angel. So the next time I'll definitely mix 3 ounces. And a little spritz of isopropyl alcohol in each one. And we will wait, and here we are for the unmolding. Like I said, a very quick video. What colors have you guys used in your molds like these, and what other types of Christmas ornaments are you making? I'd love to know. Very pretty. You can see in the skirt of it that interference, especially when I put my black glove up behind it. And the antique lace in her hair. Super pretty. The only thing I really could not get the best picture of, surprisingly, was the glitter. This glitter is absolutely gorgeous, and it sparkles like crazy, but for some reason, I guess because it was just so gray out, I just couldn't catch the glitter, the sheen off of it. But they really are sparklers. They really are, and they're gorgeous. And she's got multiple colors at Laura's Art Corner. I'll give you another quick look at them. closer up there. I'm still trying to show you the glitter, but it's just not happening. I can't seem to capture it. If you guys like this video and future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me to bring more information and more tutorials out to you. I enjoy the company and I enjoy the process. And I really love seeing my channel grow. Don't forget to like and comment. I would really appreciate it. Everything you do to help me grow my channel, I am so grateful for. And I'm trying to catch it from my kitchen window here, but I still am having difficulty. Oh man, here we are. It's just a still shot. I hope y'all have a great day, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care now. Blessings.